Hey everybody, I'm back again, and today I have a great real-time workout for those of you at home who are still working on building some strength in your weaker arm and shoulder, as well as for those of you who maybe still need to build some of that core strength, right? Now, all of the exercises that I'm going to take you through today are going to be done seated. So this is going to be excellent for those of you who maybe don't have a lot of good standing, sitting tolerance, but just need that support and simplicity. So that's what our focus is going to be today. Now, if you can, I'm going to encourage you to try to do as many of these exercises unsupported. And what I mean by that is not having anything immediately behind you that your back is resting on, so that your trunk and torso are working and holding them itself up of its own accord. That's going to allow all those core, back, and spinal muscles to be turned on, engaged, and strengthening as we go through all the different arm and weight-bearing exercises for this workout. Now, if you normally are sitting in a wheelchair, that's totally fine. Just try to sit up during the active part of the workout, and when you rest, you can sit back. Same thing like if you're sitting in a recliner during the day, that's fine as well. When we're actively engaged in the workout, have yourself sitting up, sit forward, and balancing on your own if you're able to, right? Then when you need to rest at any point in the workout, just scoot or lean back and give your body that support and that relief if you need that. Now, if you're someone who has a lot of core weakness and sitting upright for a sustained period of time is not possible, that's okay as well. Still go through this workout with the support. I'm trying to meet as many people where they are in their stroke recovery. And I know there are a lot of people at home that aren't able to stand and do a lot of complex exercises. So today we're going to have you sit. I need you to get something supported under that weaker arm. If you have no movement at all in this arm, you absolutely need to have the arm and elbow supported to keep the joint stable, right? We don't want the weight of the arm pulling on that weaker joint, right? If you have a little bit of movement, but you aren't able to raise this weaker arm, I still want you to try to keep it supported. So again, we're going to get some weight bearing through this weaker arm as we use our strong arm with a light weight. You can do wrist weight, you can do hand weight, or grab yourself just a basic water bottle, a bag of rice, some beans, or nothing at all. It's all going to work. It's going to work. It's going to hit all those areas just the same. So you decide for yourself what you're able to do, but keep it nice and light, something that you can work through a set of 10, okay? Make sure at any point, if you're having any pain, please stop. Pain means stop, okay? Don't ever try to push through anything that's painful. Just do what you can. If you need any other modifications for these exercises, I welcome any comments, any feedback. So please shoot me messages, leave me a comment, and I will help you if I can, okay? Also, at any point during this video in the workout, if you're tired and if you need to go at a slower pace or a faster pace, feel free to pause the video and go at your own pace. Feel free to turn the volume down on the video and turn on your favorite music. And then you can go through the exercises. This is meant to just be a tool and a resource for you to keep you motivated and moving and give you more tools and workout regimens to throw into your home recovery routine. All right, let's get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.